Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best X-blade on the market, the Ohoho X-blade dual mulching blade adapters. If you're looking to upgrade your commercial mower for superior mulching performance, this product promises to turn your ordinary mower into a powerful grass shredder. The Ohoho X-blade dual mulching blade adapters come in two options, the XB2 and the XB3. The XB2 kit is designed for most dual-blade commercial mowers, while the XB3 fits most three-bladed commercial mowers. These adapters are compatible with all standard commercial lawn mower blades measuring 2.8 inches wide, 0.12 inches thick, with a 5/8-inch center hole. Please note that blades themselves are not included, but the adapters make it easy to upgrade your existing setup. What makes these adapters stand out is the innovative design that clamps the stock blade and an additional mowing blade at a precise 90-degree angle. This configuration enhances mulching by efficiently shredding grass clippings, which helps promote a healthier lawn by returning nutrients back to the soil. Another important feature is how the adapter kit balances the blade spindle perfectly. This means there's no blade slippage during operation, a common issue that can lead to over-torqued blades that are tough to remove. Maintaining balance also reduces wear and tear on your mower, extending its lifespan. The kit comes with 3 dual mulching blade adapters, making it convenient to outfit your mower or keep spares on hand. Installation is straightforward, allowing you to quickly transform your mower's cutting capabilities without the need for complicated tools or adjustments. Overall, the Ohoho X-blade dual mulching blade adapters are an excellent upgrade for anyone using standard commercial lawnmowers who wants better mulching results, smoother operation, and less hassle with blade maintenance. Whether you're a landscaping professional or a lawn care enthusiast, these adapters provide a cost-effective way to maximize your mower's efficiency. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth product insights.